In this video, we're going to be looking at 10 powerful crypto investment plans for beginners. Beginners are always looking for a way they can trade crypto and be successful at the same time. Is this possible? Yes, but it comes with serious planning. Without serious planning, when it comes to crypto markets, you will be losing money. Honestly, this video is to guide you step by step on how you can invest your money on crypto with a proper guidance and plan. This is a brand new crypto channel that I take it upon myself to create this channel and teach you guys all that I know so you can stand the chance to make money on the world of crypto like every other persons out there. Make sure you stick around and watch this wonderful video to the end, because if you leave so early, honestly, there's no doubt you are going to miss the juice in this video. Make sure you stick around and watch it to the end. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm here with you once again in the studio. And if today's the first time you are watching me, my name is Joseph Benson. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell for all notification. In case I have a brand new video just like this one, of course you will be notified. Again, don't forget to like and share this video with family and friends. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am just a good guy who have a lot of information about the crypto market, and I've been using it and it's helping me, and I am here to share with you. Anything you do or any decision you take, you are doing that at your own risks. I am just simply sharing an information with you, and this is my disclaimer. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 10 helpful plans that you can lay out for yourself simply for you to become successful while investing in the world of crypto. And I'm going to leave one plan at the end of the day to be the final bonus, making it 11. Can I make money investing in the world of crypto? The answer is 100% yes. Anyone can stand the chance to start making money on crypto. This is a brand new YouTube channel that I just created simply to just lay out how you can start investing on crypto and how you can make the most out of it. This is the major reason why I ask everyone to subscribe. In case I have a brand new video, you will be the first to get notification. But let's look at crypto market. Crypto market is very, very wide and versatile, and anyone can tap into the liquid markets and make a whole bunch of money. But what is actually cryptocurrency? This is a digital asset in a blockchain technology, or can I say network, and anyone can go into it and make it. But that is not without also some of the risks involved when it comes to trading the crypto market, and you could easily lose your money without trace. And this is the major reason why it's a super risky market. Do not invest in the world of crypto unless you know what you are doing. If you need one-on-one guidance or course, you can let me know. I can render these services to you. If you also need crypto course from beginner to professional with step-by-step guide, also let me know. I can send one across to you. This video is packed with a lot of information. I want you to stick around and make sure you watch it to the end. Point number one, I want to let you know about crypto markets. This is the first plan. This is the first plan and the most powerful plan among them. Never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Let me tell you something about investment. Investment comes with up and down, pros and cons. It's either you make it or you lose it. But when it comes to crypto investment, the worst can happen within seconds. Never invest money that you can't afford to lose it. I've seen many people invest their money in the world of crypto. They invest all their life saving into crypto, and the worst happened. Cryptocurrency plunged and then they lost everything. This is not going to be your case. This is the major reason why I am telling you now, never invest money on crypto that you can't afford to lose it. Make sure every single investment you are planning to do on crypto, make sure you're doing it and you can afford to lose the money. And even if you lose the money, it's fine. When you have this in mind, you have laid out a kind of background for your first investment strategy, and you could become successful in no time. Honestly, this is one of the best. I want you to always keep in mind. The second plan is use dollar cost leveraging. By using dollar cost leveraging is going to help you a lot. And honestly, there are a lot of crypto that you can pair right now with dollar, like the BTC USD. It's an asset you can easily trade in the market today. There are a lot of crypto brokers right now that offer BTC USD, and you can, by using the dollar leveraging, you are going to, the impact won't be that much, and you are going to be in the market knowing what is happening, because the price of Bitcoin to Naira to dollar, you're going to, it's the gap is right there. And I want you to see, because dollar is going to be the local currency you will be using to buy or sell cryptocurrency whatsoever. Using dollar cost leveraging is going to skyrocket your potentials and give you an edge over your investment plan. And this is the second plan that I think you need to lay out for yourself, and you can start making money altogether. Can I really make money in this kind of strategy if I lay out those plans for myself? The answer is 100% yes. You can make money if you lay out those simple plans for yourself. The third plan I want you to keep in mind is to make sure you research and stick to the fundamentals. If you research and stick to the fundamentals, you will be on your way to making money. This is the third plan that I want you to leave for yourself. Researching will make you stand out. By doing research, let's say you have a broker you want to invest your money on. Without doing a proper research, how will you know if the broker is regulated or not? This is part of crypto plan, and this is one of the best points I want you to keep in mind. Always research and keep the fundamentals. Sometimes I do tell people I use indicators while trading the crypto market. I also trade crypto on MT5. Most of my brokers offer crypto on the MT5 platform. Bybit also offer crypto on MT5. Now you can trade BTC USD, USD, Ethereum USD, USDT, and so on. All this cryptocurrency are now available on MT5 trading platform. And I have an indicator which has been giving me what I want in the field of crypto. While I was trading crypto with this indicator, I've been making a whole bunch of money. It's called Joe Trend Overbought and Oversold indicator. And this indicator happened to be one of the best, and it identifies overbought area for all cryptocurrency and oversold area at the same time. Please keep this in mind. It's very, very important. The fourth plan I want you to lay for yourself is always stick to the major cryptocurrency. When I talk about the major cryptocurrency, I'm talking about cryptocurrency like the BTC. Bitcoin is one of the number one, happen to be the strongest, and is thriving very well. Many people invest on cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, and they are making money on a daily basis. Now, investing your money on Bitcoin, you can be doing that with a peace of mind. That is one of the major cryptocurrency right now. The second one on my list is a coin like Ethereum. Ethereum is also long-standing cryptocurrency now that have been proven to make money over the long period of time. I've seen a lot of investors spend their time on Ethereum, and they are making it so hard. Another cryptocurrency I want to talk about today is the USDT. USDT is also very, very strong, and many traders have stick to it, and they are seeing success on a daily basis. Another one again I want to talk about is the Litecoin. Litecoin is also very, very strong. It has stand the test of time, and this cryptocurrency is doing well. Honestly, you can't afford to miss this. The fourth plan on my list, and stick to the major cryptocurrency. Keep that in mind. Make sure you use a safe storage. This is my plan number 5. Make sure you use a safe storage. Now, having a cryptocurrency is another thing entirely, and having a best place to store them is also very, very important. Now, this is where it comes to safety. Now, if I have thousands of cryptocurrencies, where do I save them? This is a very good research you need to do to identify the best brokers to save your cryptocurrency. And it's that broker offer two-step authenticator, passkeys, email verification, and so on. Most of them offer these, and also added security like personal question and answer. Honestly, saving your cryptocurrency on a safe broker will help you a lot. Another thing again, most of them do offer is passkey, questions, and so much more, like passphrase or key phrases. They do offer that most often. So having to save your cryptocurrency in a safe hand, it's very, very important, and that will make you make money at the same time, and you have those crypto and you save them with a peace of mind. Keep that in mind. Okay. Another thing again I want you to do, which is my plan number 6, make sure you have an objective. While investing on crypto market, objective is part of it. If you don't have an objective of why you're doing that, this is where you'll be having problem. I am investing on crypto for a purpose, and one of the major purpose here is to make money and to be able to pay my bills, maybe drive the car of my choice, travel the world that I want, go to any country of my choice. You must have a certain objective. Having this objective will skyrocket the way you look at the crypto market altogether, and safety is part of it. Objective, I don't want to joke with it, because I always have objective when it comes to any businesses I am doing. Remember what I just said earlier? This YouTube channel is to help you identify the market for you to be successful, and make sure you have an objective of everything you are doing. Make sure you have a plan, right? If you have a plan, I don't know, but it's just what you need, okay? When I talk about objective, do not fall prey over things that maybe there's a lot of controversies when it comes to crypto altogether. Don't be afraid of you losing your money. Make sure you stay focused. If you stay focused, that will lead you to success. And always ask by doing your research. Keep all those things in mind, okay? It will help you a lot. Number 7 on my list today is take time to understand the technology. Crypto market or cryptocurrency is just a digital technology. It's a tech, and you need to take time to understand the technology behind it. If you understand the technology behind crypto, you're on your way to making success. And that kind of makes sense, right? Yes, it makes sense. Sometimes people invest into the world of crypto blindly without knowing what cryptocurrency or what crypto trading is all about and how they can make the most out of it. At the same time, they don't even know if they can lose their money. They just go in blindly and they start losing money, and at the end of the day, they blew their account. Now, understand the technology behind cryptocurrency and how you can make the most out of it. This is a major reason why we tell traders to always look for professionals with years of experience in the field of crypto to get courses or maybe one-on-one coach, and this will help them kickstart their journey in the world of crypto, and they can start making money immediately. That kind of makes sense. Number 8 on my list is make sure you pay attention to regulations and news. Paying attention to economic news, crypto news will help you to skyrocket and increase the way you make money. Remember, this is number 8 on my list. If you pay attention to regulations and news, you'll be on your way to making money. News can impact how the crypto market change. News can give you everything you want. Now, if there's a news that cryptocurrency, I'm talking about like Bitcoin or maybe USDT, there's going to be a rise in price, simply because you have an information about this, you could also take a part in it and you can make money during that period of time. But if you are not informed, automatically you are deformed. Make sure you keep this in mind. Staying ahead of news and make sure you get the latest news to help your trading career will help you significantly. Keep that in mind. Use crypto indicators. This is going to be my number 9. I always set this time to time. Use crypto indicator to make an informed decision. I have tons and tons of premium indicators when it comes to trading the crypto market. I have them both on MT5 and MT4. It's now all up to you to contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram if you want to lay your hands on this wonderful, almost 90% accurate indicators. Those indicators are designed to help you as a complete beginner who is just getting started or a professional with years of experience. Those indicators are designed to help you to make this decision and make money to make your life a successful one. Now, using indicator to trade the crypto market, it's very, very helpful. I've been using it for ages and it's working for me. You can do the same and you're good to go. You can easily contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram and you can get one sent across to you, okay? The final one on my list, which is the number 10, is make sure you stay disciplined. Honestly, if you stay disciplined, you will be on your way to making money trading the crypto market. When I talk about discipline, do not allow emotion and your psychology to drag you into the drain. Sometimes there's something traders do, they don't know it affects them so much. They don't know when it's enough to take profit and leave the market. They don't know when they overtrade. Overtrading can lead to losses. And if you're that type of person who you don't easily get satisfied, you want to make the whole thing in one day, this is when you're going to lose the whole thing. You need to be very, very careful. Know when it's enough. Always be content. Always satisfied. Make sure you are 100% disciplined. The final point, which is the added bonus that I promised to give to you guys in this video, is the last one. Can you trade the crypto market with just $100? This is a question so many beginners are asking right now. Yes, you can start investing in the world of crypto with simple $100. And you can start growing it step by step until you take it to the level you want to take it. It is 100% possible. $100 can convert to 200, from 200 you can grow it to 400 and so on. Yes, $100 can be used to trade the crypto market. With the look of things, this will bring me to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. If you have any question, comment you want to let me know, drop them in the comment section below. I will be linking up a video here. This video, it's very, very powerful. I want you to make sure you watch it to help you yourself identify how strong the market is and how you can make the most out of it. It's a powerful indicator that I always use while trading the crypto market. Don't forget it, okay? Thank you. I'll see you guys on the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.